This is a Leapster GS running super bad puncher. Today I'll show you how I got this working using RetroLeap. Flashed in VirtualBox with Pop OS on my Windows 11 laptop. No SD card, no dual boot, let's go. I will follow the official RetroLeap GitHub guide on my Windows 11 laptop step by step. You will need a Leapster GS with a micro USB cable, a Windows 11 laptop VirtualBox installed in it with Popos ISO. Open VirtualBox, hit new and set it to Ubuntu 64-bit. I gave it more than 2 gigabytes of RAM and 20 gigabytes of virtual hard disk for smoother performance. The more the better if your system can handle it, and don't forget to mount the Pop OS ISO as the boot disk. And follow the on-screen instructions. In booting our Leapster GS to the recovery mode for the flashing process. When the VM starts, go ahead and boot into Pop OS installer. Choose clean install and pick your virtual hard disk. Set your username and password. Wait a few minutes and you will land on the desktop. Now we are ready to flash. Inside PopOS, open Firefox and go to RetroLeap GitHub page. You'll find a link in description. We'll follow the steps from there exactly, but here's a key thing. The first command, if you're using Python, make sure to type Python 2. Some system needs the extra version tag. And instead of manually downloading the zip, we'll use the terminal to load the repo. Don't worry about memorizing anything. Every command is in the video description. Now comes the fun part. Once the flashing finishes, your Leapster GS will reboot automatically. And if everything went right, you will see this brand new RetroLeap menu pop up on the screen. No SD card, no dual boot, just a clean flash done completely from a VirtualBox and Pop OS. Retro style gaming is now unlocked on your Leapster. Now let's add our game. After the Leapster reboots and RetroLeap is running, connect your Leapster GS to your PC. It should show up as Linux Ethernet gadget. We will be using GitHub page tutorials to make folders and add ROMs. Here today I will be adding super bad puncher to my RetroLeap. And there you have it, your Leapster GS is now running RetroLeap with games like Super Bad Puncher, no SD card, no dual boot, just a clean flash from Pop OS via VirtualBox. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe to TinkerByte for more tech tutorials, mods and fun projects. Don't forget to check the description for all links and commands you need. Catch you in the next one.